My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for 10 long years. I've been in private practice for 42. I'm an expert in IRS resolution matters, so I try to give you the stuff that you need to know. These aren't infomercials about me. Of course, I do IRS representation if you need me. Today, I'm going to do, by the way, I've been on the national news many times. As a matter of fact, 2 days ago, I was actually on News Nation. You can go to my YouTube station and find that. What are the risks of not filing your tax return? Well, first of all, let me just be clear. IRS is going to catch you. They know about you. If you ever have a social security number, you've given it to anyone for any application, for any government body, anybody, it's all on one database. IRS just hasn't gotten around to finding you. IRS just has not it's there. Any loan application, anything, anytime you've written that, all these databases all go together and they all have pieces. So if you have a passport, you have a business license, anywhere they know about you, they will catch up with you at some point in time. You may have moved a lot, you may not have gotten a letter from IRS. That doesn't mean that they haven't found you. If you are a 1099 or a W-2, IRS knows where you're at. If you have cash income, you have a business license, at some point in time, IRS will come out. But what are the risks of not filing? First of all, I know you may not think so. Some of you are like cash businesses. You have no Social Security because you're not filing. That's really important. You know, you don't realize it when you're working and you're younger, but when you get older and maybe your body starts falling apart and you need that extra $2,000, $2,500, it's just not going to be there. Second of all, if IRS knows you haven't filed and you get in a computer system, they send a letter, it goes out to the wrong address. IRS is going to prepare your tax return under 6020B of the code. I used to do that at IRS. I used to file your return under 6020A of the code when you'd come in my office. IRS will prepare your return. You may not even know they've done that. You may want to check your transcripts. IRS may have filed a lien, sent a levy out. You just don't know. So it's important that you go ahead. And I'm not saying, hey, well, you better file. I'm just letting you know. The other thing is, if they do find you and your case goes to a revenue officer, they're going to summon you. Can give you a federal summons to come in the office, and they're going to tear all your finances apart. They're going to pull up your bank statements, do a reverse cost of living. They're going to find out everything that you've done for the last 6 years, and you just don't want to do that. It's so much easier to file your return. See, the cat is acknowledging that. That cat is good luck. Anytime the cat comes out, and a cat doesn't come out often, just file your returns, whether you lost records or not. It's easy to reconstruct records. It just really is. It takes no time for a true professional to go ahead and file your returns without records. Call me if you need me, but those are the risks of not filing at some point in time. But do it before. It's so much easier. By the way, we've never filed a tax return, back tax return. I've been doing this a long time. That was ever audited by IRS. Give me a subscription. Thank you.